Hey, yo.
Say pimps and playas, what it do? Kesey here. Per the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some chili cheese nachos and or fries if that's what you prefer. So first we're going to start off scrambling that hamburger meat. Add some bell peppers. You can add some onions too. I just didn't have one today. That's the only reason why I didn't add it. Next we're going to add a packet of the chili seasoning. And then you're going to mix that up real good. Next, we're gonna add our seasonings. I added a little garlic powder, a little black pepper. Well, y'all know how I feel about black pepper. A little slap your mama, and then just give that a good stir. Now you can add your cheese, and you basically just heating this cheese up. Cover that, and you can drain your meat. After you drain your meat, you can add your diced tomatoes. Give that a good stir. Now you can add your final packet of chili seasoning. And give that a good stir. Now cover that and let it simmer. And we're basically done now. Just letting it get a little hot, a little hotter. Now moving on to plating. I'm basically just gonna put chips and then layers of the chili, the cheese. Y'all gonna see, I don't have to explain this part. The way I stay giving y'all bad angles. And boom, we got some chili cheese nachos. But if you like me and want to switch it up, some chili cheese fries. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe.